Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we are going to be making some easy white chocolate raisin clusters. Super easy to do. All you need is a little bit of white chocolate and some raisins. For today's video, I am going to be using a piping bag, but if you don't have a piping bag, you can also use a little Ziploc baggie, and that works great also. So once I have it loaded into my piping bag, I'm just going to make some little coins. For today's recipe, I'm using sultana raisins. Those are my favorite type of raisin, and they go really well with white chocolate. I'll continue adding in the raisins. You can add as many or as few as you wish. So at this point, I thought I would zoom in just to show you these a little bit closer up. And now I'm going to let these sit here for a couple of hours so that they firm up, and then we'll get on to the next step. So this is about an hour later, and this is an optional step, and I'm just taking some of the same white chocolate and just drizzling it over each one of the clusters. You don't have to do this step, but I do think it looks a little bit nicer as a finished product. And then I've just created one without the drizzle just so that you could see the difference between the two different ones. So once all the chocolate has set up, you can see how easily all of the little chocolate clusters remove from the silicone mat. And that's it for today's video. Another super easy thing you can do with white chocolate, some raisins, and a little bit of creativity. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. Every recipe you see on my YouTube channel is also on my Facebook page. So that's it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.